Hello friends, we UPSC service aspirants fighting to get an compensatory attempt due to the COVID-19 crisis. That we all know that to get the attempt we are fighting in different ways to get the attempt. That is maybe judiciary way, meeting with the executives, another thing protest, and in other ways also people are trying to get the attempt. Friends, we all contributing different way in the process to get the attempt. At present 2020 last attempt or age board candidates are working in active to get the attempt. Now recently 2021 prelims exam was happen, and it its results also coming as soon as possible. Dear friends, I think we are fighting to get the attempt in different ways, and now we in active in only protest or meeting some of the executives only. We fully ignored judiciary way. Friends, at present we are working on the ground of legal activity. Through the RTI we got many new grounds to file the case to cause of our demand. As per my knowledge, the legal way or judiciary way also very important to attract the media and to spread the information throughout the country, because we all know that when we was filed the case, our case was hearing, voluntarily media people came forward and they are reported on their newspaper without any request. But at present we are trying many ways like meeting the executives and protesting in the Jantar Mantar all, but any big new medias or popular medias are not coming forward to cover our cause or our demand. So as per my knowledge and working with the people are, and we got the many informations or many grounds to file the cases, and at present 2021 aspirants also, last attempters are age board candidates also ready to join with us. Here we need unity. If we doesn't have the unity, we cannot able to get the judgment or our reach our goal. So as we have found new grounds to file the new cases in the Supreme Court, for that we need your support and your cooperation. And I need to tell one thing, please be unity. Unity is very important. When we are separate different groups or different ways, it won't be successful. Please join with us. We are trying to file the case as soon as possible. If possible, we file the case before the prelims result 2021. If it is not, as soon as possible in the end of the October or first week of the November, we are going to file the new case. For more information, please contact above number, displaying the number, and please try to support us. And if you have any suggestions or if you know the any other new ground to file the cases, come forward and give the informations and guide us where we are lacking. And one more thing, when we going to the file the case, we need very good and active advocates. The advocate should not become for one hearing and we can change another hearing another advocate. Should not be do that like this, because if we change one day one advocate, means that advocate is not give the importance to the case. He comes one day and he argue the as per his knowledge and left out. So please try to think about it and give your suggestions or support and encouragement to us for the legal activity. Thank you.